Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to paint SPM paper 2 question number 4. There are great fight between two aliens and they wear iron outfit, look like robots. Let us view the question before we start. Di sebuah galaksi, kelihatan satu pertarungan yang hebat antara dua makhluk asing. Makhluk asing tersebut sangat aneh. Mereka memakai pakaian besi dan kelihatan seperti robot. Gambarkan situasi tersebut dengan memberi penekanan kepada ruang, bentuk, jalinan dan pencahayaan. Plan the composition. Start the creating process by sketching a drawing of the general composition of the idea, including all the elements that you want to incorporate. And in this demonstration, I would like to paint the background and object first. I want to create overall environment mood and make it harmony with the galaxy feel. And I try to create the highlight from galaxy, it like silhouette scene with a backlighting effect. And this will make the artwork more attractive and interesting. Three things always remember when you are painting in this artwork. They are form, bentuk, texture, jalinan, and lighting, pencahayaan. Form, bentuk. How to make the object three-dimension look? It all depends from mixing the color. Developing tone. Tonal values are the gradation of tone from light to dark color. Blending light and shadow is an essential technique. Will help you make the shape more 3D. Texture. The texture is one of the important techniques to make the painting more realistic. Example, the robot, planet and galaxy. All these texture look and feel, it will make the painting lively. Lighting effect. In this painting, I will use strong backlight as light source. And this lighting effect will create very strong contrast object with background. Make it very strong silhouette feel. And this combination will create object clear and stand out. Done. The two fighting robots. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment, give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.